Outdoor living is one of the joys of owning a home. Patio doors create a seamless connection between your indoor space and your backyard, letting in natural light and providing easy access to outdoor areas. However, in active neighborhoods, traffic sounds, lawn equipment, or nearby construction can sometimes interrupt the peace inside your home. For homeowners in Austin, choosing patio doors designed to reduce outdoor noise can make a noticeable difference in everyday comfort. Why patio doors matter for sound control. Patio doors often include large glass panels, which means they can be a primary point where sound enters a home. Older patio doors with single-pane glass or worn seals may allow outdoor noise to pass through more easily. In Austin homes located near busy streets or lively neighborhoods, this can lead to unwanted distractions inside living rooms, kitchens, or family spaces. Upgrading to modern patio doors built with sound-reducing features helps create a quieter indoor environment without sacrificing natural light. Multi-pane glass for better insulation. One of the most effective ways to reduce noise is through multi-pane glass construction. Modern patio doors available in Austin often feature double or triple pane glass. The space between panes acts as a buffer, helping to dampen sound vibrations before they reach the interior of your home. This layered construction not only improves energy performance but also significantly enhances sound insulation. Advanced glass technology. Certain types of glass are specifically engineered to improve sound control. Patio doors in Austin can be equipped with specialized glazing options that help minimize noise transmission. These designs are particularly beneficial for homes near roadways or high-traffic areas. The result is a more peaceful indoor setting, even when outdoor activity increases. Tight seals and quality weather-stripping. Noise doesn't only travel through glass, it can also enter through small gaps around the frame. High-quality patio doors feature secure weather-stripping and compression seals that block air leaks and reduce sound infiltration. In Austin homes, proper sealing ensures that doors close tightly and maintain consistent performance. Professional installation is key to achieving this level of sound control. Durable frame materials. The frame of your patio door also contributes to sound reduction. Strong, well-constructed frames provide additional insulation against vibrations. Homeowners in Austin benefit from patio doors made with materials designed to resist shifting and maintain a secure fit over time. Supporting indoor comfort. Reducing outdoor noise improves more than just quiet, it enhances overall comfort. In Austin residences, quieter interiors allow families to relax, work from home, or entertain guests without interruption. A calm environment contributes to better focus and a more enjoyable living space. Maintaining natural light and views. Sound-reducing patio doors do not compromise design. Austin homeowners can still enjoy expansive views and bright interiors while benefiting from improved acoustic performance. Modern doors are designed to balance functionality with aesthetic appeal. Increasing home value. Upgrades that enhance comfort and functionality often add long-term value. Patio doors that reduce noise while improving insulation can make Austin properties more attractive to future buyers who appreciate quiet living spaces. A smart upgrade for everyday peace. Your home should be a place of comfort and retreat. For homeowners in Austin, investing in patio doors designed to reduce outdoor noise creates a more peaceful indoor environment. With multi-pane glass, secure seals, and professional installation, modern patio doors help block unwanted sounds while preserving light and accessibility. It's a practical upgrade that enhances comfort, supports quiet living, and allows you to fully enjoy your home, inside and out.